important to our chairman in Amolata.
Nyimwa kanticha denna kome. Ni waro bero pata me paro pe kwalwa. Kama chiri kiring tinu kelwa ye.
I'm honored to be here.
Bero me wara dhung me yan biro peri ganiye.
Because the people of Uganda deserve the best.
Dano long me Uganda, you know, na bera mo pore pere.
And we will do everything to make sure that they get the best.
Da wano biro timo kino long ajalo pati me shaba shing me ne Uganda no kina mo pore pere.
To the head teacher who wanted the first grade.
But angata me law school man, ametia mineo tino no grade me achiel.
I believe in the children in Road Check Primary School.
Ana tikiri here duong ikomotino me Road Check.
But we need to support the teachers and those who are delivering education to the children.
Enta puru iye wa odogro do hoti. Yero ko wano mi chwak meme yoko punye beda be.
And that one we have to work towards.
Ame monno nuwa mi to teachoro mi ro waro ti.
I do not agree with this issue of discriminating science from art.
An party keri ye, itimana mo pogo punye, ni upunye me science, kero punye me arts, ben papa.
I believe that teachers, all teachers are doing a good job.
Upunye long cheti, teacher pire take me quote, no wa.
And they deserve the support.
Ta upunye tishu miro kwokero roma.
That is something which needs to be corrected.
Monu kinare miro neno punye yuboko yoro yon.
Now on some of the important things to me.
Kino kena pire take, iboro anna chara kena.
There are some people who have been talking. These people keep talking that Akena is not standing. I'm telling you, Akena is standing. I am not appointed them to speak for me. I can speak for myself. And my struggle is for the well-being of the people of Uganda. And if the quality of education is not okay, I must talk for the people. If the health services are not okay, I must talk for the people. If you do not earn enough from what you produce, I must talk for the people. If your children do not succeed where they're going, I will talk for the people. And with all these problems, I was still shouting, not talking. The problem has been on for too long. People keep talking since 1986. How far have we gone? I can tell you Uganda would be much further than where it is today. If I bring the matter just to Lango here. In Lira, we connect the taxes, the third in the country, the third biggest in the city of the city. But now, at the whole of Lango, how much are the tamak?